Yo, you know who it be? It's your boy Darius back with another video for you guys. And today we got a special video. We got my first unboxing, my first mystery box. I want to give a very shout out to my homies at yyz.clothing. I'll link their profile in the description below so you guys can custom stuff too. So they are doing different bundles and different promotions regarding mystery boxes. I'm curating nice vintage pieces, nice thrifted pieces as well in the box. It's at random. You guys know how mystery boxes works. I don't need to have to explain it, but I'm just letting you know that they have some serious heat. So go check out their Instagram page down below. I highly suggest you follow them to keep up to date with some of the stuff that they are selling. So we'll get right into the video. We'll get right into the first item of this mystery box. All right, so here we go. All right, so the first item, we got this here. We got a Nautica T-shirt size XXL. And yo, this is actually crisp. Yo, this is sick, man. So we got this here. I like the colorway. It's nice. If you look at the print itself, I would suggest that there's minimal cracking on there. And yo, Nautica is actually one of my favorite brands. I think it was established in 1983. So definitely I'm wearing this for sure. Yo, you'll see me rocking this in a video coming up soon. So yo, that's actually a really good one right there. All right, the next one, snap, bro, this is actually crazy. Yo, we got a Ronaldinho soccer jersey. Now, y'all don't know this about DD, but I'm gonna tell you something for certain, man. That when it comes to soccer, I don't have the most knowledge, but I know Ronaldinho, and this is his AC Milan jersey when he used to play back in the day. And trust me, man, when I tell you guys that I used to watch Ronaldinho a lot, and he was one of my favorite soccer players in the world. So I'm letting you guys know from now, this is definitely it. And I said this, and I'm probably gonna do a video about this in the future, that jerseys are a really crucial piece. It's very versatile, and soccer jerseys are usually slept on. People usually just focus on basketball, hockey, football, and baseball, but I think you guys should definitely have this in your wardrobe. So definitely check out for a video regarding soccer jerseys. But yo, my boy is doing his thing with so far, like straight, he hasn't missed. He has not missed, bro. So the next item feels like another t-shirt. Shoot. Yo, I'm not even a hockey boy like that. Not even a hockey boy like that, but this looks flames. And pun, it was not intended, but this is an XL. Dang, bro. Calgary Flames t-shirt. Trust me, man. This is actually fire. And if you guys look at the cut right here, like it's a crew neck cut, which I appreciate because yo, your boy DD does not mess with V-necks and whatnot. So definitely thank you, bro, for this one. This is heat, literally, bro, and figuratively. Calgary Flames, not a hockey boy, but yo, I'm gonna be a hockey boy whenever I rock this team. All right, let's go, let's see. This one feels like a hat. Yeah, this one might be a hat. Oh, it's a visor thing. Okay. So yo, there's a whole debate about whether a visor is a hat or not. I think it is, but who really cares? This is a Adidas Visor, and I haven't had a visor since I was at least 5 or 6. So it's definitely dope to have this back in the wardrobe, and I'll definitely be rocking it I'll probably have to grow my hair out so it looks wavy, but you know, definitely. Yo, this is actually paying for real. All right, so yo, we got a visor, dog. And when it comes to visors, you can wear it numerous ways. I think it looks better when you have more hair on, but I'm definitely gonna grow my hair then just for this, bro. So yo, respects to my homies at yyz.clothing. So far, straight hits, no miss. All right, yo, holy dog, this guy's not missing. So it feels like another t-shirt. You're lying. Yo. Nah. Yo, this is actually dope. All right, so I love Jordans, and the homie knows that already. So he got me a t-shirt with like all the collections of Jordans on there. Vintage XXL. So it's gonna have that oversized vibes. And trust, man, like he watches the video too, so like, yo, it has minimal cracking on to it, but I think with the cracking, it doesn't really bother me. It actually adds more character to the pieces. So I'm gonna say this, yeah, this is fire, dog. Like, what? Yo, this shirt right here is fire. Definitely gonna wear this. Summertime's coming up too, so like I can style it in different ways. If you guys wanna see a lookbook, which I'm probably gonna do anyways, of the stuff that he gave me in the mystery box. So I'm gonna do that for sure, but yo, trust me. This is probably my favorite piece thus far because it shows fashion and it shows also my love of sneakers as well. So definitely, so far, this is my #1 piece that I like. I like it more than the Nautica one. Hey yo, so far, there's been no misses. I don't know how many products that we got so far. I think we're up to at least 5, so far we're 5 for 5. Like, I'd wear everything so far. This feels like another tee. So this is just a plain black. Wait, no. So we got an army tee. I think this is extra large. Plain army tee, like something light, you know what it is. The embroidery is kind of cracked, but like I said before, it adds character to each piece. So yo, definitely gonna wear this as well. Just wait, maybe something with my crazier jackets. I have a NASCAR jacket, so you know, rock the army tee with that, yo. Definitely gonna wear that. Yo, what is this? Feels like a jacket. Or a pair of shorts, maybe. Wait. Yo, what are you doing to me? Oh, it's a jacket, fam. All right, so we got a vintage jacket. This is a large. It might fit, it might not fit. I'll try it on anyways if it runs big, but yo, this will be perfect with my, what's it called? My Shacknosises. Yeah, these will go perfect for that. You can see the embroidery on the back. Blam right there. You guys know what it is, bro. Like, you know the vibes. Like, this is definitely me right here. I'll definitely wear it. It might be small. If it's not small, then I will wear it. If it is small, then I'll probably sell it or just give it to my little bro, because, you know, gotta spread the love too. So definitely fire piece, in good condition as well. And that's one thing that I noticed about his stuff in the mystery box so far, is that it's always in good condition. It's never jumbled up. He did a very good job regarding the packaging and all that jazz. So I really commend him on that. It shows good customer service. So y'all, if you guys are liking this video so far, make sure you hit the like button, also subscribe, and definitely check out his Instagram page, because yo, he has so many good clothing items that I think you guys will enjoy if you like vintage wear, if you like thrifted stuff. This is box. Let's get back into the box. All right, feels like this might be the last one. This might be the last one, y'all, but I'm not sure. Hold on. All right. This is like a surf style jacket. Might be small as well. No, it's one size fits all. So it might fit me. I'm a bit long, like I said, like I'm 6'6", bro. Come on. But the material's pretty cool. It's nylon material. It has more of an 80s vibes to me. And I think I have some stuff that I can wear with it. Like it's blasted out here for sure, but it's a more darker green than what it appears to be on camera. But yo, this is actually pretty flames. Definitely flames. I'm liking it, I'm digging it. So it says surf style, embroidered right here. And yeah, I would say definitely this is one of the good ones that I have. Adds more jackets to the collection I already have. Like I have a lot of jackets, like too many some would say. So definitely I'm gonna try this out to see if it fits. If not, then I might have to flip it myself. If it does fit, then I'm keeping it. Was it as far as the clothing and whatnot, but I do have a little note here and I'm just gonna read it because I'm shouting out YYZ.clothing. So this is what it says. Thank you for purchasing Mystery Vlogs. We hope you enjoy the pieces we chose. Please let us know what you thought via DM or on story. So that's basically what my boy said at YYZ.clothing. So I just wanted to give a special shout out to them because yo, without them this video is not possible. So thank you guys once again. Y'all came with the heat. I didn't know you guys were gonna come like this, man. I did not know you guys were gonna come like this. But I'm just thankful that you guys sent this right over. Definitely DM them, check them out if you're interested in getting a mystery box of your own or just regular pieces. And they're very efficient when it comes to shipping out, and they're really good with guarding customer service. So definitely recommend you guys to go check them out. And that's YYZ.clothing. That is YYZ.clothing, all right? So I'm gonna put that down in the description, their whole page, the whole 9, all that is gonna be there. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully it was of good value to you. Make sure you like that like button. Make sure you beat up that subscribe button like your nice Tyson 95, baby. After he came back from prison and he became a Muslim. So yo, hit that up for your boy. It helps do well with the channel. You guys know that already. You guys know the metric system and all that stuff. So yo, definitely check that out. And without further ado, this is your boy Darius taking out once again. So just chill till the next video, because your boy DD is out of here.